Locks black wire to NC. 12 volts and locks red wire together connect to the red wire of power adapter. Lock force can be adjusted to maximum. G&D and COM together connect to the black wire of power adapter. The exit button, no matter positive or negative, one to open, another to G&D. Press star 1 2 3 4 5 6 hash. Press 1. Place a card or key fob on keypad. You can also place other cards on keypad to add more card users. Then, hash. Press star to quit programming mode. Now swipe the card or key fob, can open the lock. Press star 1 2 3 4 5 6 hash. Press 1. Input user ID, then hash. Input password. Hash. Press star to quit programming mode. Now press the password. Hash can open lock. Press star 1 2 3 4 5 6 hash. Press 1. Then punch the same fingerprint 3 times. Then, hash. Press star to quit programming mode. Now input fingerprint. Can open lock.